Welcome back to the farm. Today we have the high-end RC Explosion Box football. Actually, it's just a regular football RC Explosion Box from Filmington. Here is our packs and social media information. Here are the packs. All right, let's start with our 23 Prism draft picks. All right, we got Joey Porter Jr., Derek Hall, Trevor Lawrence, Joe Montana, Dante Demarius Jr. Oh, what do we got here? We have got a draft picks auto of Jay Ward. And it is not numbered, but we will take that. Jerry Rice red, numbered to 200. That's a nice one. Keon White rookie. It's like a checker board card. That's pretty cool. Vince Young trophy hunting and Bo Jackson brilliance. That will make the stand because Bo makes the stand. All right, let's go with our 2015 Prism pack. Fran Tarkington. I like that one because he was a Viking great. Carson Palmer, John Riggins, Pierre Garcon, Clay Matthews. Whoops. We just dropped A-Rod. No big deal. CJ Anderson. We've got a die cut of Kelvin Johnson. That's kind of a cool card. Tyler Lockett. Silver. Josh Harper. Jay Ajayi. And Jalston Fowler, rookie. All right, 2018 Playbook. DeMarcus Lawrence. Oh, what do we got here? X's and O's, Sam Darnold patch. And since he's going to be the Vikings quarterback, I've got to embrace him. So I'll put him up on the stand since it's a patch. X's and O's, James Washington, Darren Payne, and Denette Burnett. 2019 contenders. All right, Darius Leonard, George Kittle, Von Miller. We got a Tom Brady red MVP contenders. We've got Drew Brees MVP contenders. Phillip Rivers, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Stephon Diggs. All right, we got 2020 Illusions. All right, we've got Jerry Jeudy, Delvin Cook, Teddy Bridgewater, Matt Ryan, Jordan Love, and Gardner Minshew. Let's go with our first 23 Bowman Chrome U pack. Jam Griffin, Noah Washington, Will Johnson, Tyler Van Dyke. Let's go with our second Bowman U Chrome pack. We got 3 total, so Brennan Presley, Logan Diggs, Tyler Buchner, and Drew Pine. Let's go with our third Bowman U Chrome pack. All right, we've got Jordan Whittington, Corey Foreman, Justin Eliason, and Walker Howard. All right, let's end it with 22 Select. All right, we got Cam Taylor-Britt, Trevor Penning. We've got a turbocharged, of Amon-Ra St. Brown, and Tyron Davis-Price rookie. So I would say that was an okay RC Explosion box. We got the auto. Anything else too exciting though, really, overall. But I'll take it. They're fun. Keep enjoying your rips, guys, and just remember you're never too old to be a ripper. If you guys are liking the content, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.